Love this. So did you get residuals on the back end? I hope you write a book. No. Actually, I've never gotten any, as you call it, residuals. I've never gotten any credit. I've never gotten any royalties. I've never gotten any acknowledgement. But don't think that I haven't tried. Literally, for 29 years, I have had attorneys on the case. I had an attorney that I hired in 2018. In 2020, he was fired from his law firm, and the law firm dropped my case. My godmother was Tina Marie. She, before she passed away, was going to help me get my royalties and get my proper credit by hiring an attorney, or actually just letting me use her attorney, because she actually just had an attorney on standby like most artists do. Okay. When Suge got out of jail, what was that? In 2001, I went to him and he was supposed to help me get my name and my proper credit. As you can see, he didn't do it. And in 2006, I hired another attorney. They didn't ask me for no money. But Suge kept changing the name of Death Row Records. Because see, if you file for bankruptcy or change the name of a company, then whoever has lawsuits on you gotta start from the beginning. And I did that for almost 10 years with Suge when he got out of prison. From violating his probation, when he kicked the man in the casino, the night that Pac got shot. When he got out of jail, I went to him too. I did. I also, in 2016, or was it 2015? Could have been summer of 2015, finally got in touch with the Feenie. Yes. Yes. And you want to know what happened? She told me that she was going to take care of me. And we going to get it all squared away. Because she wanted any and everybody that helped her son to get what they deserve. Because she knows what that feels like, to not get your proper anything. And you want to know what happened to her? She died, my nigga. Yeah. So I want to thank all of y'all that's been giving me all this advice about what I should do and what they owe me and how I should go about getting it. But do y'all really think for 29 years that I have not tried to get my proper credit, my proper royalties? I'm going to keep it solid with you. I even dove deeper. I even had a conversation with Daz Dillinger. And you want to know what this man told me? He told me I got the best attorneys for this because I've sued Death Row 1,000,000 times, okay? And I always win my cases. But if you want my help, you're going to have to pay my attorneys 15%. And whatever they collect, you're going to have to give me 20% of that. And that same 20 for each royalty check you get. You hear what I said? Daz Dillinger, okay? So, yeah, y'all, I've been trying to get my money. But the snakes in the grass, it's so many of them. And to the trolls that really think I only ask to be paid in a joint, man, come on, man. I was talking to the engineers. The engineers didn't work for Death Row. They were work for hire, if you know anything about recording studios. They were independent contractors. And it was a joke, okay? They gave me the joint, but that wasn't a business transaction. Because what really happened was the snakes in the grass wanted to capitalize off of Tupac's death. That's what really happened. And they rushed that album, okay? Suge was in jail. And the people that worked at the record label aren't the same people like us that worked at the recording studio. So they didn't know who was who sang, who did skits, who played live instruments. We had to get in contact with those people on our own. And y'all, after they laid me off and shut down Can-Am Studios, it was literally impossible to get in touch with these people. And then they dropped the album. Just yesterday, a friend of a friend got in contact with Snoop. And guess what I found out again? Man, he don't even own the rights to none of Tupac's music. So again, I got to get in contact with the estate, which I did that in 2023. with Molly just to be told that she's not even the proper person to contact. So life be lifing, y'all. And I couldn't keep living in 1996 or trying to get money from 1996 because money got to got now. Okay, these bills, the rent man don't give no damns about me and my girlfriend in 1996. Okay, so I've had to keep pushing. And it's a very, very sad thing, but it happens to a lot of people in the industry. And more importantly, it happens to female artists in the industry the most. So if y'all want to help me, if you are a part of a law firm that would like to take this on and help me get my proper credit, help me get my proper royalties, my proper publishing together, then tap in. And on a lighter note, I'm happy I could put a face to the voice. And I'm happy I was a part of a lot of y'all childhood. And I thank y'all so much for listening to my story that was on my son, Evolve and Eric's page, and listening to the reaction of Pac, hearing the song and sharing his video idea. But if you ain't trying to help me get my bread, shut your ass up, boy.